Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Greetings, alishanmao here. Time to test the IronBear Mi-17 inspired RC helicopter. Let's see how it flies. Wish us luck. Hopefully everything goes right. Clear prop. Bismillah. Here we go. Beautiful takeoff and a zoom shot for Mr. Alex. Very good. No issues on the CG. Beautiful hover. Hands-free. Look at that, mashallah. Alright, so I'm going to shift it to ATC mode and fly it around. MashaAllah, looks really beautiful, man. Look at this stance, huh? Alright, let's take this shot from under. Good wind. So this helicopter is like, man. Attack mode. Look at that, mashallah. Nice weapons all around. Look at this stance, huh? Flies really nice, man. One moment, let me switch to ATC mode once again, because this is the mode I enjoy to fly helicopters in. Chase that crow. Actually, crow is chasing it. Look at that, he's coming around. He thinks he thinks this is a predator or a prey, but he doesn't know with this much ordnance on this IronBear will simply smoke the crow. And mashallah, what a beauty it is. MashaAllah. That was beautiful flight. Alhamdulillah. This took me more than a month to build, to design, to print, to assemble, to build, to paint it. You know what? Bring the camera closer. Give people a closer look of everything Irish. Come on. So look at that. We have authentic cockpit with seats, instrument panels. Look at that. Inside. Look inside. We have stairs. We even have stairs. And these doors, you can slide close or slide open. All right? Then you have your dummy weapons. And come on the back side. Come on. This is a cargo helicopter. All right. Look at that. We have a cargo door that opens. Man.
Crash, rebuild, bounce back, that's what I do. Crash, rebuild, bounce back,